Hello and good day. We've received many requests to create a video about notifications in Mint Service Desk, and we're happy to finally share this with you. Today, we'll be covering notifications mainly from the admin perspective. As you know from the user's side, agents and customers' notifications are quite intuitive. Users can simply log in, go to their notification settings and choose which notifications they'd like to receive and how they'd like to receive them. For users, both agents and customers, this part is very simple. So today we'll focus more on the administration side, specifically how to configure notifications as an admin. First, we go to the admin panel, where we'll see the dashboard and the various functionalities on the left-hand menu. From there, we select the notifications option. Once you click on notifications, you'll see several options. First, what types of notifications can we create? Currently, Mint Service Desk supports 3 types: ticket notifications, contract notifications, asset notifications. Let's imagine a scenario. I'm an account manager and one of my clients is the company Mint Service Desk. I want to receive a notification whenever any user from that company submits a ticket with critical priority. That's the example we'll follow today. So for ticket notifications, we select tickets. Contracts could be for when a contract is about to expire. Assets could trigger notifications when there's a specific update or change. By default, the system includes essential built-in notifications like new article, new comment, new ticket, ticket pending reminder, SLA expiration, SLA notification. These come pre-configured when Mint Service Desk is installed. They can be edited or deleted if needed. Each notification shows its name, the event that triggers it, available delivery channels, whether it's active or not. You can also customize which columns you want to display and how many notifications appear per page. Now you can edit or delete a default notification or create a new one. Let's create a new notification, and the system will ask us to configure the general settings. 1. Name. This is important for identifying it later. For our example, we'll name it Critical Tickets from Client Mint Service Desk. 2. Description. You can add a brief explanation of what this notification does. 3. Shown in user profile. Decide whether this should be shown as an option to agents, customers, or both. In our case, we only want agents to see it. 4. Status. Check the box to activate. 5. Color. This helps visually identify the notification in the UI. Select a color of your choice. 6. Include action executor. You can choose whether to include the person who triggered the notification. Next comes the event part of the most important parts. This is the trigger that causes the notification to be sent. Some examples are new ticket, new article or comment, SLA response/update/resolution/workaround, warnings or expirations, pending reminder due, ticket status changed, assignee changed, ticket close, strikes triggered, after unanswered warnings. In our example, we choose new ticket as the trigger because we want to know when a new critical ticket comes in from our client. After selecting the event, we move on to filters. Filters work as AND conditions, meaning all selected filters must match. For instance, I'll select priority, critical ticket customer, Mint Service Desk. If I want to keep other fields more flexible, like status or type, I can leave those unselected. So, other available filters include service queue, article author, ticket status/type, article visibility, public/private, strike rules, assignee, mention users/roles, company sender, and more. You can combine multiple filters to get very specific. Once the filters are set, the next step is to choose recipients. Who will receive this notification? You can send it to the article author, assigned agent, everyone in the tickets queue, the client, internal discussion participants, mentioned users/roles, subscribed users, specific agents or roles. In our case, since I'm the account manager for this client, I want to receive it myself. So I choose agents and select my user agent Mint. At this point, we have an active notification, a defined trigger, specific filters, chosen recipients. Now we select the delivery channels, email, push notifications via API or mobile integrations, system shown in the web portal. You can also define the language in which the notification is sent. Let's select English and configure the title and content for the email or system message. If you don't define a message, the default notification will just include basic info like title, color, and ticket source. But you can add more detailed text if you wish. You can configure different messages for each language and each channel. Finally, click Save Changes. Your notification will now appear in the list and will be active if the status checkbox is marked. If you want to disable it later, just uncheck the box. From now on, any time a new critical ticket is created by Mint Service Desk, a notification will be sent to the selected agent. Let's briefly look at the other two types of notifications, contract notifications. Similar setup, you can trigger a notification X days before a contract expires based on the contract type, based on the associated company, useful for alerting account managers before support contracts expire. Asset notifications, also configurably. Similarly, you can trigger alerts based on asset events, reminder expirations, alert types. You can filter by asset category, assigned user, etc. Once an admin configures these notifications, agents can personalize what they want to receive. As an agent, go to the top right menu, Notification Settings, and you'll see the available notifications, like the one we just created. You can check/uncheck the ones you want and save your preferences. And the same applies to clients. For watching this tutorial on Mint Service Desk notifications, we hope it helps you get the most out of your notifications.